Did you know that in just the last year, generative AI models have created art that sold for millions and music indistinguishable from human composers? The age of AI creativity is here. Are we ready for it? Generative AI has made tremendous strides in recent years, accomplishing things that were once thought to be the domain of human creativity and intellect. From composing music to creating visual art, generating text, and even proposing scientific theories, its capabilities are indeed impressive. Yet despite these achievements, it often faces significant skepticism. Many critics argue that generative AI is simply a sophisticated tool that mimics patterns without truly understanding or possessing intelligence. These skeptics point out that AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on and claim that AI's creations are nothing more than recombination of existing patterns. There's a growing belief that AI lacks any form of genuine creativity or originality. It can't truly think for itself. Moreover, concerns about the implications of generative AI on society loom large. Some worry that AI might replace human workers in creative fields, while others express alarm about its potential to reinforce biases, propagate misinformation, or even create art that lacks the human touch. Ethical dilemmas arise as we start to question what happens when machines become the creators. Does AI have a responsibility for the content it produces? How do we maintain authenticity and originality in a world where machines can generate art and knowledge? So, the question remains, is generative AI truly intelligent, or is it just an advanced mimic of human creativity and thought? To better understand what's going on beneath the surface, it's essential to grasp how generative AI functions. At the core of generative AI are technologies like deep learning and neural networks, which are inspired by the way the human brain processes information. These AI systems don't just memorize patterns. They actively learn and adapt, analyzing massive data sets and detecting underlying structures in the data. Neural networks, particularly deep neural networks, consist of layers of interconnected nodes that process information, with each layer progressively extracting more complex features from the data. When generating outputs, such as text, music, or images, the AI doesn't simply repeat data it has seen before. Instead, it learns to make predictions based on patterns and relationships it has internalized. For example, a generative model trained on thousands of pieces of music might predict what chord is likely to come next in a melody, or how to combine different instruments to create a new sound. This process is highly intricate and far from random. Every output involves mathematical precision, statistical modeling, and decision-making based on the input data. While it might seem like the AI is merely copying what it has learned, it's important to recognize that the output is the result of complex probabilistic reasoning. The system weighs countless variables, choosing the best possible outcome from the information it has absorbed. However, despite this apparent sophistication, there's still a gap between what AI does and what humans understand as true creativity. While generative AI can create seemingly novel outputs, it doesn't possess the intuitive, emotional, or contextual awareness that human creators bring to their work. In a sense, while AI is capable of producing incredibly intricate and detailed outputs, it does so without understanding them in any meaningful way. In the end, what makes generative AI both fascinating and misunderstood is this interplay between precision and mimicry. It pushes the boundaries of what we consider creativity, but also raises questions about the nature of intelligence itself. One incredible example is OpenAI's DALL-E, a model that generates stunning visual art from mere text prompts. It's not just creating random images. It understands context, style, and even abstract concepts, proving that generative AI can push the boundaries of human creativity. Just imagine, a single prompt like a futuristic city floating on clouds can lead to breathtaking, original artwork. Generative AI is more than just technology. It's a bridge to a new era of creativity and innovation. By understanding how it works and what it offers, we can better embrace its role in our future. What do you think about the rise of generative AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video exploring the latest breakthroughs in AI. Let's continue this journey into the future together.